Alright, this session we're going to show how to do pizzas on the Big Green Egg. So the first thing you need to understand is you're going to want to get your grill up to 700 degrees at least, sometimes up to 800 degrees before you put that pizza on. So you got to get it pretty hot. So Big Green Egg, as a rule of thumb, the more charcoal and wood you have, the less heat, less airflow, the lower it's going to be. So to get the temperature up that high, you need minimal charcoal. So I'm going to do something that accelerates the charcoal to get it up that hot, and I've used one of these charcoal chimneys. So I've got my lump charcoal in there, and I got a little fire starter pile down there. I'm going to put that chimney on top, and I'm going to let that go for about 10 minutes.